How was your packing?
Best part was हम sunset के time पे हमने kayaking किया. Second best part was गिरीश मेरे पीछे बैठा था. It was a very good thing यार. बहुत मजा आया. I tried it for the first time in my life. And even I'm excited for tomorrow. Movie मैं पहली बार ही करूँगा surfing. So yeah, it was good.
I did it for the first time. मतलब मैं expect नहीं की थी इतना अच्छा होगा. एक टाइम पे तो मैं और शिखा ऐसे लेट गए थे, चल बस व्यू देखते हैं, वो अपने आप फ्लोट हो रही है.
देवांशी पूरा भिगा दिया. गलती हो गया जाके ऐसे.
But answer नहीं है रे.
Very good.
Short answer.
हाँ,
floating. That was nice. ऐसे तो देख.
मज़ा आता है नए लोगों से मिलने में, उनके बारे में जानने में, किसी हेल्प करने में बहुत अच्छा लगता है. तो फ्यूचर प्लान तो वही है. सो
Welcome everybody. I'm Samya Subhani. I'm the founder of the Chimera Belt Coffee and the 4th generation coffee planter here. We are in Chimera right now, located in the Baba Budangiri Hills.
this night is over, I will guide you home. All this time you thought we'd never pay the price. In the game of love you have to roll the dice. My heart got 7 years to life. 7 years to life. I've been told that time will heal all our wounds and our sorrows too. No more clouds, no more rain. I need sun to ease my pain. Before this night is over, I will guide you home. All this time you thought we'd never pay the price.
I've been hanging with you guys for a few days now, so you guys know who I am, basic familiarities, but I'll do it anyway. My name is Shubham, and we're taking a workshop here about visual literacy, which is a part of the overall realm of things that I do along with my usual personal life, the branding and say. This is a workshop held by Unravel Travels, a part of a mutual place, right? In Coorg, in a tea estate, no, coffee estate, this is, right? Yeah, coffee estate. And yeah, let's begin. Nutrition they are, what are you doing with but they give you that idea, they'll false illusion that best shape you'll get from them because you get 3 blade है. एक blade से I promise you इतनी अच्छी shape होती है because मैं तो single blade से करता हूँ आज
Now baked and crisp. साइड में ना क्रिस्प के बाद एक चिप्स के
ठीक है, otherwise it can everybody is finding some new brands for them and
how are you going to target them, like how will you
market.
And I just took it. That's it.
My name is Manasi Prasad, and we are here at the Indian Music Experience Museum for an immersion into music. The group is going to experience a workshop about creating, communicating and collaborating through the arts. It's great to be here with Unravel Travel with Mutuals, and let's have a blast.